My name is Russ Knight. I'm the owner of Christian Brothers Automotive at Tulsa Hills, and this is my Regent story. When a customer comes to us, they usually have their primary concern and then something else going on. What we want to do as we communicate that is to make sure that we're telling the guest what's going to benefit them using our expertise in automotive paired with what they tell us their plan is for the vehicle. And I think that's one of the cool things that aligns so well with Regent, is that they are going to help me with my goals, where I'm headed as a business. As a believer, it's important for me to connect with people that align with my values, and allows me to know that if I serve somebody at Regent Bank, they're going to tell our story in a good way, and vice versa, and I get to tell theirs. With Regent Bank, I know that they are going to help me and address whatever my need might be.